Hi, Bacho. So I'm back today with the next session. Uh, and in this session, we'll cover some of the things that are never ever taught to us as students. And Bacho, I believe these two things are very important for us to learn as student. और क्योंकि सोसाइटी में इस चीज को कभी सिखाया कभी बताया नहीं जाता, hence it makes more sense for us to understand it. And aaj with some stories and all, I like to establish this fact that these two things are really important for you as a student. Number one, we have to learn to fail, and number two, we have to learn to set our we have to learn how we can be really determined to achieve something. We have to learn from the to develop this power of determination inside us. So first we'll touch on the failure side. So see, in this society, we are never taught कि फेल होंगे तो क्या होगा. फेलियर का तो हम कभी नाम ही नहीं लेते. अगर आप फेल हो रहे हो एज अ स्टूडेंट तो आपको सोचा जाता है यू आर रियली दैट थर्ड ग्रेड स्टूडेंट जिसको कभी कुछ पढ़ाई आती नहीं है. इस तरह से सोसाइटी, इवन हमारे पेरेंट्स कभी हमें ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, हमारे ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड्स नेबर्स हमें ट्रीट करेंगे इस टाइप से अगर हम फेल होंगे. बट what we don't understand is that failure is nothing but a step towards success. जब आप फेल होते हो तब आप सीखते हो कि ये नहीं करना है, एंड हेंस द चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग इट राइट द नेक्स्ट टाइम आर रियली हाई. सो फेल होइए आप बिल्कुल. पेरेंट्स को भी मैं यही कहूंगा, बच्चों को फेल होने दो, बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू नो इज दैट वंस दे फेल दे लर्न एंड देन डू some corrections in their actions. So that is important. We have to fail. Now when we fail, we learn what not to do. एक बच्चा मेरे पास आया जो मैथ्स में कभी क्लास 8 में फेल हुआ था, and then he came and told me that sir, when I failed in class 8 I knew this is what I don't have to do, and then what I started doing next really changed the way my life went. अगर पावर ऑफ फेलियर समझना है ना तो लेट्स लर्न फ्रॉम एडिसन. ही फेल्ड 10,000 times before he invented bulb. And just imagine he has done some 1,000+ inventions throughout his life. So just think how much would he have failed. And that is really the power of failure. So you learn a lot. There's a huge learning curve that you get through once you fail, and that is very important, and that's what I want students to do. अभी मैंने आजकल काफी बार देखा है कि बच्चे मैथ्स प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते हैं, बट दे डोंट वांट टू डू द क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग. वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी सोर्स को रेफर करके सही आंसर ही लिखना चाहते हैं, विच इज रॉन्ग. बिकॉज जब तक वो गलती नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो सीखेंगे नहीं. एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर अ सब्जेक्ट लाइक मैथ्स which you only learn once you commit a mistake. If you don't commit a mistake, it means you are not learning. So practice, practice, and keep doing as many mistakes as you want, because वो mistake आज हो जाएगी तो what we are sure of कि वो exam में नहीं होगी. And that is important as a student to learn. Two, power of determination. Second thing which I wanted to talk today is power of determination. Why is determination important? So if let me describe success to you. Success is nothing but an idea plus determination. And if from an idea you subtract this determination, then you will get only wishful thinking. So these are two different stuff. You can get an idea, but if you're not determined enough, it will never get executed. But on the other hand, if you have an idea but the determination is lacking, then you might call it as delusion, or you might call as wishful thinking. That will never happen. So set a goal, get that idea, and then do everything possible to make that happen, and it will happen. लेट मी टेल यू स्टोरी ऑफ एकलव्य. आप सबने सुन रखी होगी, बट मे बी इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट शायद नहीं सुनी होगी. नाउ एकलव्य वाज दिस स्मॉल child born to a family of Shudra, king of Nishad. He was born to them, and he wanted to learn archery, and he wanted to really excel in that. So एक दिन उसने अपने डैड से कहा, his father said, no, we are Shudra, we cannot do this stuff, so nobody will take you as a student. तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, Dronacharya is such a big guru, he will understand and he will take me. He went to Dronacharya. He just shook him off and said that we'll not take you because you are a Shudra and I can only teach uh, this to upper caste people. So you cannot study here. But he was so determined to learn archery from Dronacharya that उन्होंने एक उनका statue set up करा and then he started learning archery just by looking at the statue. And eventually, over a course of years, he became so great an archer that he even surpassed Arjun. People say that even he surpassed Arjun, who was the greatest archers of all time. And that's what determination can really do. Even without proper guidance, he could still uh, get the best out of him and really be the best in the world by just ensuring that he was determined enough and following the goal. So that is what success can come. Success costs. So if you are determined, that's the cost of success. And determination is nothing but it just ignites a fire inside you, which keeps burning, keeps burning, keeps burning, and make sure that you don't rest until unless you achieve that goal. What I will also recommend, and that's what I also do a lot of times, maybe divide your life into chunks of some goals, right? So maybe now the goal could be to top 10 goals, top 10 school. Next, the goal could be top 12. Next, the goal could be get into the best of best university for whatever stream I want to. Next, the goal could be top the university. Next, the goal could be to get into the best of best job or start a startup of your own. So just start dividing it into small chunks, because at this point in time I know you won't be able to think what is lying 20 years ahead of your life. So maybe you might be able to think what is going to happen in next 2 years of my life, because you're clear next 2 साल में boards है, next 4 साल में 12th है, next 2 years में college में जाना है, so on and so forth. So उसको chunks में divide करो, set a goal and then just blindly start chasing it. Determined pagalpan is what will really help you win all these goals. And I do wish all the best to all of you. And uh, please do like, subscribe, comment to support the channel, and do let me know if you need any more specific topics to be covered, and I'll be back with more very soon. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.